Hello everyone, I am Kürşat from the Power International. Today we are at Başakşehir to see Mavera projects. First of all, I want to talk about Başakşehir. It's rising value of the Istanbul. It's not old district. For that reason, there are many new schools, hospitals and malls here. For example, it's just 2 minutes away to the metro station, which is under construction, and just 1 minute away to the European biggest hospital, Çamsakura Hospital, and just 25 minutes away from the new Istanbul airport. Actually, it has easy access to the popular places of the Istanbul. It's not far away from the city center. Let's start to the maquettes. Hello, welcome to the Mavera Boutique sample apartment. This is the 4.5+1 sample apartment, and total square meter is 147. This is the wide open entrance. As you can see, it's decorated very well. Here we have a second living room or guest room. As you can see, it's getting very good daylight, and here we have a big garden. It's like a 140 square meter. Then you can make many activities here, especially families with child. It's very useful. When we are continue, here we have a table, and this can be opened and closed. This and this. Here's a 6-seated table with your family gathering dinner. When we are continue here, we have a very stylish kitchen with little table and this modern architectural touch. This paddle box and oven include the price, but the others is not. Continue, here we have a bathroom. It's really cute and moderated, as you can see. Here we have a laundry room. It's very big, as you can see. Child's room. And another child's room. Let's continue. Here is the master bedroom with private bed. Wardrobe here. Look at this, it's amazing. Also, this room has a balcony. Today we were at Mavera Projects. Thanks for watching. The Power International, always here for your investment. Discover the power of investment.